From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of hangers that ruin your clothes? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's called MAWA by Reston Lloyd metal clothing hangers. These amazing hangers are not only top-rated but also feature LED lights, a sturdy metal frame, and a sleek design that will make your closet look like a luxury boutique. The Euro Series hanger is perfect for hanging pullovers, outerwear, women's sweaters, dresses, men's dress shirts, and sweatshirts, with a slim profile that measures 15 3/4 by 3/8 inch, and a hook length drop of 4 inches, giving you ample space to hang your clothes without overcrowding your closet. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The European design and manufacturing make these the ultimate choice for your closet and delicate clothing, preserving garments, eliminating shoulder bumps, and providing collar support. The cold-rolled steel construction gives these hangers a solid feel, and the swiveling hook adds a satisfying click when you hang up your clothes. The non-slip coating is gentle on your garments, and the thin diameter of the hanger allows you to maximize your closet space by up to 40%, making it a space saver that will help you organize your closet effortlessly. I've used these hangers to hang my favorite sweaters, and I can feel the difference: the soft texture of the non-slip coating, the smooth sound of the swiveling hook, and the sturdy feel of the metal frame all combine to make these hangers a game-changer. Whether you're hanging delicate dresses or bulky outerwear, these hangers will keep your clothes looking their best, and the best part is that they're made in Germany, ensuring a high level of quality and durability. So why settle for flimsy, cheap hangers that will dump your clothes on the floor, when, as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.